Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to remove installed widget on our Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So widgets are these little simple applications that enhance our user experience. For example, weather widget. How to remove it? We can simply tap and hold, and here we have remove. Of course, we can change some things by using settings, but if you want to remove it completely, we tap this once and now the widget is gone. If you want to install it again, we need to go to our widget list and look for interesting or other widget, and we can add it. Again, tap and hold, remove, and it's gone. Simple. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.